Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel A Square Maths Academy. If x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equals 0 represents a circle, then find its parametric equations. Solution: given that the equation of the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. On comparing with the general equation, general equation ఏంటి? x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. Then what we get here? We get here 2g equals to minus 6, that implies g equals to minus 3. 2f equals to 4, that implies f equals to 2. Now c equals to minus 12. సో ఇలా కంపేర్ చేసిన తర్వాత సెంటర్ అండ్ రేడియస్ రాయాలమ్మా. నౌ సెంటర్ c of minus g comma minus f, that equals to 3 comma 2 we get here, and radius r equals to formula ఏంటి? under root of g square plus f square minus c. సో g square అంటే minus of 3 whole square and f square అంటే 2 square minus of minus 12 అంటే plus 12 get, okay, that is nothing but under root of 9 plus 4 plus 12. So r equals to under root of 25 we get here, that value equals to 5 amma. So now parametric equations we write now. So what are the parametric equations? So parametric equations form వచ్చేసి x equals to minus g plus r cos theta and y equals to minus f plus r sin theta nama. Now we can substitute that values in that formula. So we get here x equals to 3 plus 5 cos theta, y equals to minus 2 plus 5 sin theta.